Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you the most important tips to do after installing Windows on a Mac. This is so important because after doing this to Mac, you won't have to worry about any dissatisfaction or missing features when Windows is installed on your Mac, not being able to connect to the network, using the trackpad, etc.
Stop asking yourself how to do this after watching this tutorial. Let's start. Please don't miss any step.
After the installation, the Boot Camp setup will begin immediately. So please, and please again, don't close or cancel it. Now, let's install Boot Camp. Click Next. Accept the terms and conditions. Click Install. For those, the Boot Camp didn't open itself after the installation window. Open My PC and look for a partition that is called OS X Reserved. Open it. Could you look for the setup and open it? Install it. Let's tell you a little bit about Boot Camp. Boot Camp is a driver pack for Mac. Install, boot. It will also install all necessary drivers for your Mac, like Wi-Fi, video, audio, trackpad driver, etc. The Boot Camp will allow you to switch between Windows and Mac OS at any time. Now you have understood why you need to install Boot Camp. Let it finish the installation. Now the installation is finished. Click on Finish. Your computer will restart. As you can see, driver like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Boot Camp, etc. They are already installed. The Boot Camp can be found from this arrow. Once you click on it, it will show you all these options, including Restart in macOS, Boot Camp Control Panel, Boot Camp Help, and About Boot Camp. Let me show the second tip that you need to do. Go to the Boot Camp Control Panel. If you want the F1, F2, etc. to be standard, check this box. And then go to the trackpad. Check this box too. And then click on Apply. Now, after applying this, you will be able to use your trackpad normally. Like tapping for a click. OK. Next tip, connect your computer to the network. And go to Settings. Update and Security. Click on Check for Update. Your computer will check if any updates are available and install them, just leave it on the network. Another tip, open Start and look for Apple Software Update. Open it. This will look for any updates for Apple software. Install them. If the Boot Camp update is available, you must update it because you may experience an error. Like when you are trying to boot to macOS. Now let's do the last important tip. Go to Start and type disk. And then click on Create and Format Hard Disk Partition. Right-click on partition called Boot Camp. Go to Shrink Volume. Choose the size for your new partition. Click on Shrink. This is our new partition. Right-click on it. New Simple Volume. Next. Change the format to exFAT. Rename the partition. Rename it as you wish. Finish. The reason why I recommend using an exFAT format. Because exFAT is the only format that can be read and written on both Windows and macOS. You will have full access to the data on this partition while using either macOS or Windows. Let's say if the format was an NTFS. The partition will be accessible, but you won't be able to delete or rename any data on the NTFS partition while using macOS. Which means NTFS is read-only on macOS. And to copy a file from Windows to macOS or vice versa, you have to use a USB disk each time you switch from one to another. Let it boot to macOS. Go to Boot Camp. Click on Restart in macOS. Let's check if I can copy a file to a new partition. These files that I copied from Windows. Let's copy this video to a new partition. I can even delete it. Thanks for watching my tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.